Okay, so this is basically the project we're gonna do in this class. Basically, we're gonna take an example of a form used by a company called Sophie's Teddy Bears. And what they do is basically they sell teddy bears. They take orders for teddy bears taken by phone. Each bear is like $50, and they come in two styles. And basically, what we're doing is that we're getting the customer information, I guess the number of orders, different types of how many of each type they want, and using that information, we calculate the total price of the order, including a percentage of sales tax. So the process of designing the application, the first thing we need to do is basically look at how they're doing it currently. Meaning that, like, I mean, this is basically a virtual application of which represents a form, a paper form. So we need to look at that form which they use and convert it into a Visual Basic application. So looking at the form, we can see like we need customer name, address, city, state, and we need information of how many of each type, and then from that we can get the total amount, and from the amount of orders we can calculate the total price. So basically, the questions we need to ask to design an application is what kind of information do we need to display on the screen, and I guess for printing, and what kind of information the user needs to enter to get the desired output. What kind of information the application needs to calculate the order prices. How is the user going to end the application? And this is generally a pretty simple one. There should be a red cross button or an exit button to exit or end the application. And finally, if one form is filled up, all the prices and all that is calculated, then how do we clear this form, clear this previous information, and then just build a new form for another customer to fill up. So all these steps we're gonna go through throughout the class, and then we're gonna do or build the application.